Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to hide virtual key in Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. You'll have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone, okay? Okay guys, here is settings, okay? Scroll down and find the Smart Inconvenient. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in Smart Inconvenient, okay, you can see the navigation key. Okay, click this. And now here in navigation key. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I will show you how to hide virtual key in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, you all have to do is, okay, you can see the virtual key can be hidden. Okay, on the right side, you can see the switch button. Okay, to hide the virtual key, okay, here the virtual key, and okay, you'll have to do is turn on the virtual key can be hidden button. And okay, if you turn on this, you can see the arrow on the left side of the virtual key of your Oppo A5s mobile phone. Okay, to hide the virtual key, okay, you'll have to do is click the arrow on the left side, and now your virtual key are hidden. So okay guys, to unhide, you all have to do is slide up on the lower of your screen, and now you can see the virtual key. And to hide again, okay, click again the arrow down. Now your virtual key in your Oppo A5s are hidden. And okay guys, to unhide again, okay, you'll have to do is click the switch button again, and okay, you can see again the virtual key. So okay, and okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.